Good morning, everyone. Today I'm here with a new topic plants. And plants is a topic of science. Science is a subject in which we study different things. We study about living things and other things also. And today the topic of mine is plants. And plants are living things. Oh, you will ask how? Okay, I will tell you how. Plants actually they are feed and they grow, and you know there are different types of plants in this world. Plants actually they are big and small, and some are so tall that we have to lift our neck to see them, and some of them are so small that we have to bend our knees to see them, and some of them are so tiny that we have to sit down and see and touch them. And the plants which we see by lifting our neck, they are trees, they are grown, they are strong, they have a strong stem, and they are green. So, and the other ones are small. Why do we call them small? Why? Because we bend knees and then we see them. They are called shrubs. They are called shrubs. We bend and then we see. And some are so small that they are called herbs. And herbs are those where we have to sit and then see them. So these kinds of plants are here. Now, if we say plants, how do plants grow? Of course, some of them grow inside, but most of them grow under the ground. Like the roots are under the ground, and roots are tiny, hairy, things which you cannot see above the ground. They are under the ground, and they grow when we feed them with water or with the rainwater. And if they get proper sunlight and they get good soil, they grow well. So those which are under the ground are called roots, and those which are above the ground are called shoots. Shoots mean stems, and stems are big and strong. Sometimes they are thin also. It depends on the type of the plants you see. If you see the big tall trees, they have good strong stems and they have shoots. And if you see smaller than them like shrubs, they have the thin, properly trimmed stems, and they have sometimes very thin shoots also. So they are there, and then on these shoots, on these branches, you have leaves. Leaves are so green, and the green plants, they contain a green coloring matter. That matter is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is basically is used when, I will tell you when. It's basically, it helps to make the food of the plants sunlight, and this process is called, by which plants make food, is called photosynthesis. It's all the matter. In the daytime they get lot of sunlight, so they are grown, and they get the food also, so they are green. And when they do not get the green chlorophyll or sunlight, they be turned into brown or fall down on the ground, and it becomes what? Dry. And then this is the season, it's called fall. Sunlight, because of the weather and all these things. So basically sunlight is very important for the plants to grow, which makes chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll and this process of transforming the food from here and there is called photosynthesis. So I hope you have understood the words today related to plants are the roots. Tall trees are called plants. Shrubs, herbs, they're tiny, like you have the grass. This way they grow. And chlorophyll is basically green matter in the naturally, and then they need sunlight. The sunlight turns the food into photosynthesis. The process is called photosynthesis. So you have learned so many words. It's for beginners. And then try to understand. Go outside and see what the shrubs are. And when you are bending yourself to see the shrubs, you see plants, you say shrubs. When you sit down and see the plant, you say herbs. When you lift your neck up and see long big trees, bushy trees, those are basically strong plants. So this all makes the plants kingdom. And here, this way, the plants grow. Okay, I hope you have understood the topic today, and you must have liked the topic. Thank you very much. We'll meet again.